Hello guys,
Hi.
we are back for part
2.
and before we begin with what we have for you guys today, we're going to first introduce our names.
Because some of you actually mentioned it in the comment section that we didn't say our name, and we are so sorry for that.
Yeah, and can you imagine someone was like, I'm from Warrap.
Like,
it's
seriously.
not bad to be from Warrap, but
She's not.
I'm original
Bor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ane Chola Chol, I'm from Bor.
Dinka Warrap state.
Aweng. Do you know the
Aweng.
meaning of Aweng?
Nyakao.
It means Nyakao. Okay. Here we listed some of the things that you guys requested in the comment section.
Yeah, you mentioned that one.
And we added some little small. Yeah. Someone requested for how we call beautiful. Yeah.
Like beautiful.
For us we call it piat. Like
For us, we say it's a thing. A thing.
Okay. And then school. For us we call it, actually guys, I don't really know, but
Guys,
don't laugh at me
we
if
don't
I call
know.
it. Yeah.
All of us.
For us we call it sukul.
Me, I'm not sure. Also, we call it panabun. I grew up actually knowing it called panabun.
Okay. Beautiful girls. Someone, I don't know, was that person saying beautiful girls or beautiful girl? I don't know actually, but if it is one, we call it nyanpiet. If there are many, nyirpiet.
Tono ya. Nyantok ke chol ka deng. Najue kaka nyirde.
Dating. For us, we call it go. Bakogo.
Okay, chol thought. Paprotut.
Okay. Aunt, we call it. Okay, like aunt in English, it's one mush. Who, if it is in our languages, it's,
Two different things, so.
yeah. There's the one from your mom's side and the one from your dad's side. The one from your mom's side, we call it Malan. Molandi.
For us, maternal auntie, we call it malan.
Then from the one from your daddy's side, we call it YY.
For us, it's new age.
Anyways, guys, we're going to stop there for now. And please, guys, if you want us to be doing more videos, please
View and like.
Please. It's not easy making a video.
Not
You know,
easy
South
at all,
Sudan,
though.
it's very hot.
For us.
Bye bye for now.
Bye.
Thank you.
See
We
you.
love you all.
Love you.
Hello, guys.
Hi.
Okay, we are here with my cute sister. And say hi, baby.
Hello.
Oh, you can see how cute she is. Anyways, guys, not to waste time, we came here to call some, like to know the difference between Dinka Bor language and Dinka Warrap. And here we're going to call some few things we listed down here, and we see the difference. Water, we call it pew.
Warap, we also call it pew.
Fire, we call it match.
Yeah, that's right, much.
Dog, we call it Jew.
Guys, Joe? For us, it's Joe.
Okay, a cow, we call it Wong.
Oh my god, my name has just got spoiled. Wong?
Weng.
For us, we call it Weng.
Oh, I see. That's where your name came from. Ka, we call it Riai.
We call it Trumbil.
A cat, we call it Bura.
We call it Angao. Why? That sounds funny.
It sounds so funny. Book, we call it Karasna. For me, I don't know how they call it in our language.
Okay, she says she doesn't know. Anyone that's born outside there, you can just text her that thing there. For us, we call it Ador.
Okay. Chair, we call it Kursi. I don't know how we also call it in our language.
I thought it's Arabic. Anyway, for us, we call it Toj.
Okay. Broom, we call it witch.
For us also, we call it witch.
Food, we call it twin.
Did I just hear a tree?
Twin.
For us, it's cool.
Whoop.
Yeah.
I almost ran. It was like something. Okay. Okay, anyways, those are the few things we had for you guys, and if you have more you can also teach us
in the comment section, guys. We'll just wait, learning is always good.
It's a good thing. Okay, bye for now.
Bye,
see you.
Video loy tong jeng ke chine English
We chuke muat ko kwan ke TikTok ran takating tane yen ka duwa ka denom alele tong jeng achine tong ale ako kulti ni chol mong yen ka bukul lewe
ku chol mong kan angi ka jwe pe chubu ben lar yaraninde
wane chol mong ke chija ler pan patode kulen chudum to
won chen jala ten go koy ba jati ko ja toj met ku jole la lor ba jal bala bye bye won chi met jala bolo yo ka chunyu kuru chok kuru nyu bolo la yen am du ba bala le koy bay la kay choli la rana nyu jetum kana cheden
yen ke tin den ko bukul le kana 1 minute ba yen ke chi yen wo ko ko chata